For today's lesson, we are going to discuss on how to factor a perfect square trinomial. In factoring a perfect square trinomial, first, you need to identify whether the given trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. And I already told it to you on how to identify a perfect square trinomial. Remember that the factors of a perfect square trinomial is a square of binomial. It can be addition or it can be subtraction. Okay, so let us have an example. X squared plus 2x plus 1. So first, you need to identify if the given trinomial is a perfect square. Take a look at this one. Perfect square trinomial. Is x squared a perfect square? Yes. Is the last term a perfect square? Yes. Is the middle term equals twice the square root of the first term and the square root of the last term? Let us check. 2 times x times 1, that is 2x, and that is equal to the middle term. Therefore, the given is an example of perfect square trinomial. So how do we factor? Remember that the factor of a perfect square trinomial is the square of binomial. Now, how do we get the operation on the given square binomial? Just look at the sign of the middle term. So since the given is positive, so we just write here positive. How to get the first term? What is the square root of the first term? X. So that will be the first term of the factor. How do we get the second term? Just get the square root of the last term, 1. And that will be the second term. And this will be the factor or the final answer. Another example, 4x squared plus, let's say we have 20x plus 25. So again, this is a trinomial, but the question is this a perfect square trinomial? So let us check. Is the first term a perfect square? Yes. Is the last term also a perfect square? Yes. Is the middle term twice the product of the square root of the first term? So what is the square root of the first term? Yes, that is 2x. So it must be twice according to the concept. And the last term, what is the square root? So that is 5. So let's check if that is equal to the middle term. 5 times 2x is 10x times 2. That is 20x. And that is equivalent to the middle term. Therefore, this is a perfect square trinomial. So how do we factor? Again, remember that the factor of perfect square trinomial is a square of binomial. So meaning we have here a square and then binomial. So what will be the operation of our factor? Look at the middle term, and whatever sign do we have in a middle term, that will be the operation. So since the middle term is positive, so we have here an addition sign. Now, how to get the first term of the factor? So just get the square root of the first term, and that is 2x. How to get the second term? So get the square root of the last term from the given, and that is 5. Therefore, the factor of the given trinomial is 2x plus 5 quantity square. Let us have third example. Let's say we have the given is 16x squared minus 8x plus 1. How are we going to factor this trinomial? Again, first, identify if the given trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. Is the first term a perfect square? Yes. Is the last term a perfect square? Yes. Now, is the middle term twice the product of the square root of the first term? What is the square root of the first term? 4x. And the square root of the last term, what is the square root of 1? 1. So let us multiply. 4 times 2, 8 times x, 8x times 1. So that is 8x. Is it equal to the middle term? Correct. Therefore, this is an example of perfect square trinomial. So how do we factor? Remember, the factor of a perfect square trinomial is a square of binomial. And how are we going to identify the operation of the square binomial? Just look at the sign of the middle term. This is negative, so we have here a minus sign. How to get the first term? Get the square root of the first term from the given. 16x squared, the square root is 4x. How about the last term? Get the square root, and that will be the second term of the binomial factor. And that's it. This is the factor 4x minus 1 quantity square. And for your activity for today, factor the following perfect square trinomial. So for number 1, given 25x squared plus 40xy plus 16y squared. And for number 2, 36x squared minus 24x plus 4. Write your answer on your lecture notebook. Thank you.